24 CR 3422, State of Texas versus Daniel Rodriguez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? For the defense.
For Mr. Rodriguez.
And are you Daniel Rodriguez?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Rodriguez, did you review the document entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Waiving that official.
Any objection?
None.
Mr. Rodriguez, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 grams to 200 grams? That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this agreement you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Rodriguez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 10 years in the prison. There's a $1,500 fine. There are no applications, and the state will take in consideration NIGHTMAG number 764122. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
It is.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that are filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counselor, there been any such motion?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State, any evidence?
Contained in exhibits, Your Honor.
No objection.
All right. And the NIGHTMAG number, what case is that? What's the charge and the NIGHTMAG number that's being taken in consideration?
Possession 1 to 4, I believe.
All right. All right. You may be excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations with your attorney?
Yes,
Did
ma'am.
you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same.
This is where the courtroom goes silent. The judge makes it clear this isn't just about drugs or prison time anymore. It's about choices, family, and the fact that Texas has no problem locking the door forever if he keeps going down this path.
All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We are, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We would like the court to follow the plea agreement, Judge. It was a timely plea of guilty and a resolution of the case and acceptance of responsibility.
All right. And what is I see in the report that he was on, he had a parole violation. So what is the cause number of that?
I do not know, Judge, what it is.
Do you know which case you're on parole for? Is it the previous possession case?
It's the felony possession of a firearm,
Okay. And how old are you?
39.
All right. So you're 30. And for you to be on parole means you've been to prison before, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And how long were you in prison before?
18 months.
18 months? And how much time do you have left on your sentence?
I would have discharged October of this year.
All right. So do you have children?
No, ma'am.
All right. That's a good thing because you got to get your life together. So you need to make a decision on, do you want to spend the rest of your life in prison? Because if you do, Texas will accommodate you. There's always a place for somebody at the prison or a place for somebody at the Bexar County Jail. You understand?
I understand that.
All right. Do you have any family support?
Yes, ma'am.
His mom and dad are here in the courtroom. They've been here every sitting that I've been with Mr. Rodriguez. He had previous counsel, but I have been counseling with the family, keeping them up to date, and I invited him to be here this morning for this proceeding.
All right. So do you love your mom and dad?
Very much.
Well, you need to start showing it because guess what? This is breaking their heart. Now, you know, some parents maybe need to practice tough love and say, you know what, you're in prison. We'll see you when we get out. We're not going to put any money on your books. We're not going to write you any letters. But I'm sure your parents are going to meet you at the prison, come visit you on visiting day, put money on your books and all of that. So you need to start respecting their time and what they're doing. Because guess what? Your parents, they're not going to be on the planet forever. You understand? And what I can tell you is what my mom always tells me. I always say, Mom, I hope I go before you. She's like, no, Lord, no. Your parents want to go before you. And if they go before you and pass on from this world, guess what? You're going to be by yourself and there's not going to be somebody visiting you at the prison and putting money on your books. You understand? You're going to have to start making better decisions and stop chasing fast money. And you can't build your happiness off someone else's misery. And these drugs just contributing to somebody else's misery. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So get your life together. Court is going to find you guilty. The court is going to sentence you to a $1,500 fine. Time and money will run concurrent. The court is going to take in consideration night mag number 764122. If you have a drug problem, I'll ask for the therapeutic community, but you'll need to ask them for it because I have no jurisdiction to order that for you. You understand? I can only request it. This will run concurrent with 2021 CR 0095W. And the court will sentence you to 9 years in the prison and give you credit for any time served. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you. We can go off the record. Giving you 9 years instead of 10, that wasn't for you. That was for your parents. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you. Who is here on Frank Edward Solis, the fifth?